Hey guys. Hey guys. So today we are going to do our usual purple shampoo test, but today we are going to use Matrix So Silver shampoo. Elizabeth hears me talking. She wants in on the fun. So what I do is I do before pictures of my hair as it is now, and then I put this in my dry hair. I soak it, just this, no like extra water or anything, for half an hour to see what this does, kind of using it as almost a toner. So my hair actually, I mean, it does have a little bit of yellowy, buttery tones, but it's, you know, over the period of doing this and getting it highlighted again and then doing all different trials with these, in general, my hair doesn't have as much yellow as it used to, obviously. So, but obviously it'll still be an up-to-date before and after. And interestingly, I don't know why this is, but I feel like, and I don't think I'm wrong, the back of my hair is more white, gray, cool toned, and the front is more yellow, and I'm not quite sure why that is. I don't know if it's, I mean, maybe it's because this is shorter and like this I hold on to longer since it is longer, or I don't know. Or if it's more damaged because it's by my face, I'm more likely to like straighten it and blow dry it longer, and maybe it just doesn't take to the color as well. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. And I'm growing out my little side shave, I think. Although I think it is cute, I do think my hair is just too thin to do it. Yeah. Like I feel like it doesn't do me any favors, as they say. So, just my thoughts. Who am I? I don't know. Okay. Let's do this. Hi, gorgeous! Had a little bit of trouble locating this. All right, so this one does smell really good too, I think. I think it's like a very cool, refreshing smell. I think the only one so far that has been like overwhelmingly bad to me was Finola, which I also think was the best one as far as being like effective and really like making my hair cooler, like cooler toned. I'm taking off my little wrist protector, John, because that's just gonna get dye on it. All right, are we ready? Okay. Oh, I think I'm using the glove on the wrong hand. I think that, actually no, if I could go back to college and not have to pay it back, because I'm already in the process of my second master's degree, I would go for cosmetology. I would want to be a hairdresser. but I have too many student loans currently and I'm in the process of a second master's, so I am not going to add to it currently. But if someone was like, for free, you could go back to school and do anything, what would it be? I would say cosmetology. So there. Not saying that I don't love my job, just saying that I really do have fun with the hair and makeup stuff. And, yeah. Okay, so... So this one does suds up quite well without any added water, just to be honest. Okay, so I will double check the back to make sure that I have fairly gotten everything. I'll use this on both hands, just make sure. Because I have this little side shave now that actually takes away a bit, even though I don't have that much to begin with. Okay, and then we are going to leave this in for half an hour. It is 7:57 in the morning. Until I have a kid. I'll wake you up with the gosh darn crack of dawn. Okay. So we're going to leave this in for half hour, shower it out, and we'll do a cute before and after. Well, maybe not cute, but we'll do a before and after picture, and I'll let you know how it goes. And if it cooler tones my hair. As usual, I think I'm getting stuff everywhere. Okay. Okay, so we are washed out / rinsed and blow dried, and I do believe that it has gotten ashier looking, that it has toned down some of the butteriness. I did put in a little bit of conditioner because it was a teensy bit drying. It wasn't the worst as far as drying my hair out, but I think that that's kind of... Elizabeth agrees. But I do think that's just kind of the nature of any of the purple shampoos. It's just kind of what they do. You just have to condition with them. But anyways, I do think this is nice. I don't think it's damaging. I think it did a really great job. I think especially the roots, because those are the area where my hair has been... Well, I don't know if that's necessarily true. I like it. I think it did a good job. And that was a half an hour in. No crazy damage, but it does look nice. It does look... blonde. Yeah, so tell me what you think. And you know what I was thinking about? I'm wearing like Nike and like whatever active wear. I'm so glad that nobody checks on your activewear to see if you're active in it, you know? Like there's not like activewear police that are like, yo, do 2 squats, you know? Because like I wouldn't know what that was and I would do like 2 sit-ups because I'm not actually active. Because I feel like we all wear activewear now. I do. I know, it's crazy. Good thing I don't need like a license for this. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any purple shampoos you would like me to try, please let me know. And yeah, that's it.